Hi YouTube family, my name is Elysia English, and this weekend is our Canadian Thanksgiving. I know that if you are one of our American viewers, your Thanksgiving is a few weeks away, but hopefully this video will inspire you to make a really cute and interactive Thanksgiving table setting for your family. So today, Philip and I are taking a small break from our bathroom makeover. We need a little bit of a break this afternoon and just do a little create with me while we work on a really cute little activity we're gonna put on our dining room table to have the kids be able to write what they're thankful for. So today we're gonna do a little bit of crafting. Are you ready, Phil? We're gonna work on some adorable wood turkeys. I pre-cut out some shapes, and the first thing I'm gonna do is sand this cute little turkey body. The first thing I did was thought about what the shape of a really sitting kind of turkey would be, like as if its legs were sticking out. So I thought putting the bottom of the turkey along the table, that way if my wood was thick enough that the turkey would be able to stand on its own without having a bracket or anything at the back. We always have a very full dining room table with all of the yummies that we get to eat for Thanksgiving, and so I didn't want this to take up a whole lot of room or be something that was too large to store and keep all year round to put out year after year. So the key here, being minimalist, is having things, little small cute seasonal things that don't take up a lot of room to store. So I think this will do the trick. So I'm going to cut this out. So I just pre-cut a couple. I traced it onto some wood and then used my jigsaw to be able to cut this out. And so you can see I have my marker lines on the back, and I'm going to sand this. What I'm gonna do is paint it first and let it dry. And I did actually cut out a couple more because I thought this would be a really cute activity for my kids to make a set for their Nana or any of our family members. So each of our boys are gonna make one later with us while we're working on some things. So sanding, get off any of these rough edges, and then we can paint. So turkey body, he stands up when your table's dusted up. Stands up without any help, so he'll be really cute to just tuck into some decor on the table. I'm going to distress my turkey and make him a white kind of material. That way I can kind of make a few other lines and then distress the color off. So the first thing I'm gonna do is paint him white. I think since this is a Thanksgiving video, I think we should talk about what we're thankful for.
Ooh.
What are we have so many things this year to be thankful for.
First and foremost, I think I'm most thankful for you guys, my family.
For sure.
I think without you guys, my
life would be pretty boring.
I was just gonna say, you took the words right out of my mouth. Life would be super boring.
I think with all of the stay home this year, we've definitely been thankful for all of the extra time that we've had as a family together. And working on YouTube and doing this full time has allowed us to have so much more togetherness time. And then also add a lot of people to our family because we have almost 129,000 YouTube family members, which we're super thankful for. And thank you so much. I'm super thankful for everyone who always likes, comments, and shares our videos. When you share our videos with someone you think that will enjoy it, it helps our channel grow tremendously, and it means we can make more amazing content. So because of our YouTube family, we're able to do what we love every single day, which is pretty awesome reason to be thankful.
Super thankful for our YouTube family.
Also thankful for a wash machine because apparently I get paint out on myself all the time.
Does painting the turkey make you hungry?
I think I can smell Mom's turkey already because she just told me this morning that she got the last fresh turkey at the grocery store.
Oh, I'm so proud of her for grabbing the turkey. She may have had to have a tussle for it. I should like key into some like beautiful fall scenery.
Trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day. Wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time. Don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down. No time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. Yeah. I don't even know what I want no more. Figure out what to do with all my time. My new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now.
I love this vlog very much, but you're getting me.
I love this vlog very much,
but I didn't want to get burrs in my butt.
Come back.
That's what I did.
I need you to walk into it. Just straight. Just straight. This is no earwigs. That's the shot, babe. That's the shot. Where are you going? We need to do 3 more. 3 more of those shots. There's no earwigs.
I forgot to tell our YouTube family that I had a whole bunch of new items to put in the house that they hadn't seen yet coming up.
You picked up so many beautiful fall things. Gives me all those fall feelings.
All the fall feelings. I also got a new rug this week.
Wasn't really fall.
That wasn't really fall, but
You had to get it.
I had to get it.
YouTube family, she came out and she said, I had to get it.
It came in the mail.
Oh, so there was 2 rugs.
Oh yeah, there was 2 rugs. More room makeovers coming soon after the bathroom.
Yes.
We are actually segueing into from the bathroom renovation. When you see the next update, you'll see what I'm talking about because it's quite alarming. But while putting in a pocket door into the bathroom, it meant that we actually had to remove an entire hallway on the main floor. Quite alarming. That leads us into our next renovation, which is a project that we're doing in our bedroom space and then our living room space. We have some huge renovations. And then we have an upstairs renovation that's even bigger than those coming up after that. So we have a lot of home renovations. So for those of you who are enjoying our makeovers, stay tuned. More coming in the English house. Like almost the whole house at that point.
Give us an example though. What are we doing?
After the bathroom, we have to tackle this next makeover because of the damage that we've caused doing the bathroom. And damage is planned damage that's caused because we knew what this next project was going to be.
Planned collateral damage.
Sacrificing the bedroom closet, knowing what our next project was going to be. So when the bathroom's finished, we're actually working on a huge built-in floor to ceiling,
oh my gosh,
full wall closet space, which is actually going to be a complete full wall built-in wardrobe, I guess you could say.
Yes.
For Philip and I both combined. So on our journey to becoming more minimalist, we are looking to find spaces for absolutely everything. And because we've always had such a terrible closet in that bedroom space, we were really happy to give that space to the bathroom, knowing what this project was going to be in the bedroom space. So that's super exciting.
And without home hardware, none of these projects
would be possible.
No,
for sure.
You can pick up everything that we do at Home Hardware.
So these 2 projects that we're working on, the bathroom and this bedroom makeover project, is in collaboration with our favorite brand, Home Hardware. So that's super exciting. And then when we're done those, we're actually working on another project that Philip and I are working on, that we are going to be adding a fireplace and an entire main floor transformation with our living room, dining room, which is going to be absolutely epic. So you don't want to miss that.
And just in time for the winter season.
Right, because we're having Christmas by the fireplace this year.
Oh, so dreamy.
I want to make sort of like the turkey feathers using wire. And I want to double layer those. So I'm going to use a drill and a drill bit when this is dry, and drill some holes that the tips of my wire can go into. And so I'm going to gauge kind of how long I want my first one. I'm using this jute wire, and what it is it's literally wire that's been wrapped in jute, and I have the brown, the creamy white, and black.
Oh, those are cool.
Yeah, I just bought these at the discount store. You can get them at the craft store super cheap. I think it was $1.25. And I want to make it sort of into a turkey fan kind of shape. I want to make a larger one. So bear with me. It's going to be cute in the end. So I want to make, I think, 5 of these going across.
His fan feathers.
His fan feathers. And because I don't want him to just have one because of the idea that I'm doing, I need to make a smaller one also on the inside. So I'm gonna make 5 of these and then 5 just a little bit smaller. They make these childproof and then I can't get it.
Wish I could say I was finally over you, but that's not the truth.
You're making a couple different sizes.
Yeah, so I'm doing 5 larger ones and then 5 smaller ones that'll go in between, because we're gonna need those to support something that's gonna go between the fans. So you want this to be interactive.
And you can really bend the turkey feathers any kind of shape you want, right? Like,
Yeah, and you can make them any size.
There's no right or wrong way to make the turkey fan.
Or the right or wrong colors or anything.
Yeah, they can be any color.
These are actually going to go together into a hole all the way around. So he's gonna have 5 fans. And then what we're gonna be able to do is, because those will be together, 2 different sizes, everyone in the family will be able to put in a little card that says what they're thankful for. Everyone on their plate will be able to get a little card to fill out and put in the turkey, and then this will sit on the table. So I'm gonna give him some feet and a face and get his actual little fans all glued into him. So I'm gonna build all these. I'm still waiting for him to dry a little bit before I can distress him.
Distressed turkey.
Distressed turkey. Well, most turkeys I think are in distress on Thanksgiving.
Yeah, mine are usually just dressed with gravy.
We were talking yesterday about how we want to learn how to make pie. I've never made a pie.
Yeah, I love eating pie.
Maybe we have some amazing YouTube oh, that one was way longer. What happened to that one? Maybe we have some YouTube family members that are amazing pie makers and they can leave me some tips. Delicious.
So, YouTube family,
Thanksgiving.
leave your whole best pie recipe down in the description.
I'll make one on video.
Yes! We will choose, good idea, we will choose the best pie recipe in the description box and we will try to make your pie and we will eat it.
We will eat it.
And we will eat it.
I'm going to distress him. I'm going to just rub some light sandpaper. I want to make him look a little bit aged, so I'm going to distress his edges, make him look a little bit worn out. If you wanted to, you could do a layer of stain underneath first and then distress with the white. It would really come through, but I kind of like him just to be pretty white. So now I'm gonna carve into my turkey and put on his feathers. I just put a drill bit on my drill and I'm going to do, I think, just 2 of the fan feathers on either side, and then I'm gonna try to do 1 from behind. I don't wanna drill it in the top of his head because it's gonna look kind of funny. So I'm gonna do 1 on either side and then I think work it on the back somehow.
Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This possible life.
So I have holes on the side that my feathers are going to go into. So I'm going to glue those in, but I made sure they were deep enough that I'd be able to have room for the glue and room for the feathers. So it's going to kind of go like that. And then because they're wire, you can adjust them any way you want to bend them once they're kind of in there. And then I also made some in the back to be able to hold some of his feathers in the back. I'm gonna put some glue in there. And then my little cards would be able to go in between his little feathers and hold up, which is super cute. But he needs a face, and I think he needs cute little feet sticking out. I'm gonna do the same thing with the drill and drill 2 holes there so I can make him some cute little legs using maybe some of the black and white wire, and I'm going to paint him on a little face. Enjoyed today's video. I always have a lot of fun just working with a little Create With Me, especially in between big projects. I hope that you can be inspired to use some scrap wood, maybe even just use cardboard if you don't have access to cutting the wood. This can be a really versatile project. Get your family involved thinking about all the things in 2020 that they can be thankful for. I know this hasn't been the year everyone was hoping for, but there are a lot of positives to staying home and spending extra time with your family, which I'm super thankful for. Thank you so much. You guys, I'm so thankful for all of you and all the support you guys show us on our channel. We will be thinking about all of you this weekend while we celebrate our Canadian Thanksgiving. I love you. Thank you so much for always being part of my channel. I will see you on the next episode.
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble.